It's only the second track. Yo, y'all whack, y'all lack mid-pack, couldn't stack, that's facts. I'm talking back, real deal, I steal the field. It's clear y'all hear better, trendsetter, betcha. Nicer than dice, say it twice, I'll raise the price. Give advice, entice, I got the power, mate. Motherfucker, I'm right, y'all looking tight. Bite my style on file, wow, y'all taking a while. Couldn't get close, Morse Code speaking different, this the difference. Inverse opinion, I'm stealing platforms, dominion, winning. Now I'm saying we fucking winning. Al fin estamos aquí, yo mismo consigo y sigo entrenamiento. No miento, meto navaja por dentro. Centro de atención, atento, boss fermenting cemento. Contento por ser esto, I keep it real, honesto. Oh, fucker.
Hit you with them gas slugs, acting like you passed drugs, but you ain't past the addiction, which is my music. I'll abuse you with the speakers that you're using. Now I use you, manipulation. Come on kid, just face it. It's like I'm racist with the way I'm killing niggas, got you pacing. You not fear, stepping face to face with the great. I'll be repping place to place. I'm looked down upon by those of hate and faith. I don't care if it's a sacred day. It is time for you to face your fate. You're lacking common sense, will allow the torment to commence. The gap blesses like a magic spell that I'm casting.
Sense this senseless message, I'm a fucking savage. Class to movements, this the fucking moment. Endorsement, Tony, I'm lit, too fit to give a shit. Had enough talking stuff, acting tough when it comes to action, I'm calling y'all bluff.